Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2023 RAM ProMaster? Wondering which fuse controls what in your van? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Front power distribution fuse box. The 2023 RAM ProMaster power distribution fuse box efficiently manages electrical power for key vehicle systems. It houses essential fuses and relays for components like the engine, lighting, and auxiliary equipment. Conveniently located for easy access, it simplifies troubleshooting and maintenance. A detailed fuse diagram is provided to help with quick identification and replacement. Front power distribution center, additional fuses. Internal distribution fuse box. The 2023 RAM ProMaster interior fuse box distributes power to essential cabin electronics, such as lighting, infotainment, and power windows. It is strategically located inside the vehicle for easy access and maintenance. The fuse box contains clearly labeled fuses and relays for quick identification. A detailed diagram is included to assist with troubleshooting and fuse replacement. Right central pillar fuses. The 2023 RAM ProMaster right central pillar fuse box manages power distribution to key interior components. It is strategically located on the right central pillar for accessibility and efficient wiring management. This fuse box protects circuits for features like interior lighting, power outlets, and safety systems. A detailed fuse diagram is included to assist with quick identification and troubleshooting.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.